Use the bathroom. Use the bathroom. Use the bathroom. It's gonna be him in the mouse suit.
Oh boy.
Oh my god. Just ask management who's in the mouse suit.
Yeah,
Do we know his name? I don't know his name. We're gonna detain the mouse, dude.
We are.
Do it. I want you to. Go around and ask. Go around.
You want me to come in front of these
Yes.
kids?
Yeah, grab him. Get him. Grab him, quick. Don't resist. Do not resist. Don't. Let your hands go. Let your hands go. I got it. I got live on video. Alright, for now we have 1 to 10. Hey, he's the suspect. He stole someone's card here and has been using it. Someone that was one of your employees, like last week or something like that. So, yeah, I understand. Yeah, we'll have to get it back to you in a second.
He can let that man walk out the door, y'all wrong.
He's a criminal. What would you like to know?
I would like y'all to walk him out the door instead of traumatizing all these tourists and somebody like Chucky Would y'all put Mickey Mouse in handcuffs?
Have a good night.
Have a good night. I will.
Yeah, they're called take over if we have a verbal in progress. That's how it's like.
787, you can come around in the front. Does this come off, man? Does this just come off the top? I don't want to hurt you.
I work here.
There you
I'm
go.
just
I
doing my
understand.
job.
I understand you work here.
What the is this about?
We're going to talk
We're
to
going to talk to
you.
you in a second.
How does this come off, man? Is it just like a normal thing?
Can I get that? I gotta take this back. This is my work stuff.
Okay, we'll take care of that.
Yeah, we'll do it. Put him in the car and read him and then go from there.
Man, what is
Search him as best you
going
can.
on, man?
I know he's probably got internal pants, but...
Oh, sorry, man.